In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube video with ChatGPT and Synthesia. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple workflow that lets you create professional YouTube videos using ChatGPT and Synthesia, even if you're starting from scratch. This method is a great way to produce high-quality content more efficiently without having to write every script manually or appear on camera. By the end of this video, you'll know how to generate a script with ChatGPT, turn it into a polished AI video in Synthesia, and save the finished project so it's ready to publish on YouTube. To get started, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're on the main screen, ask ChatGPT to create a YouTube video script for the topic you want to cover. For example, you could request a script about budgeting. If you want more accurate and useful results, be as specific as possible with your prompt. You might ask for a script about email marketing for beginners, or productivity tips for small business owners. Providing more context helps ChatGPT generate content that better matches your audience and the purpose of your video. You can also ask ChatGPT to make the script conversational, engaging, and easy to understand. These instructions usually result in a smoother script that's better suited for YouTube. After the script is generated, copy the text and take a few moments to review it carefully. You may want to shorten certain sections, simplify the wording, strengthen the introduction, or improve the call to action. If anything doesn't sound quite right, ask ChatGPT to rewrite those sections until you're happy with the final version. Next, open Synthesia and create a new video project. Once you're inside the editor, choose the option to start a new video. This is where your script will be transformed into a professional-looking presentation using AI avatars and voice narration. Paste your completed script into Synthesia and make sure the formatting is clean so the narration flows naturally. Then choose an AI avatar and a voice that best matches the style of your channel. If you're creating educational or business content, a professional-looking avatar and voice are often a good choice. For more casual topics, you can select a friendlier style. After that, customize the background. A clean and simple background usually keeps the focus on your message, while other visual styles can be selected if they better suit your topic. Once everything looks the way you want, generate the video and allow Synthesia to process your script, avatar, voice, and background. When the video is ready, watch it from beginning to end. Check for any wording issues, pacing problems, or sections that need minor adjustments. If necessary, make your edits and generate the updated version. Once you're satisfied with the final result, save the completed video. From there, upload it to YouTube and complete the publishing process by adding a title, description, thumbnail, and tags to help improve discoverability. You've now learned how to create a YouTube video with ChatGPT and Synthesia from start to finish. This workflow can save you time while helping you produce consistent, professional quality content. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,